Good morning! I'm decided I'm going to do my review on Rose Queen. It was actually requested, which was my first request ever. And it makes me so very happy, rocking the College Charleston shirt again. Well, let me talk about it. When I first got it, I thought it stunk. I'm not going to lie to you. I did not smell the roses. I didn't smell anything sweet. I didn't like it. And I was like, oh my god. I like how it had flowers in it. But, didn't like the way it smelled at first. I'm not gonna lie. It was very pungent, very potent, very strong, and I'm not like that. I like very subtle, girly scents, so that was like, and like the last video, my very first video, I showed it, and it was like crumbling in the bag, which was okay. I didn't really care about that, but let me show it to you because I've already used it, so I obviously had to do a review on it. So if I can find it, I figured this would be the best thing to do because I had no clue what, how I was going to show it because I don't really have photo editing. This is what it looks like right here. From the Lush Times. The Rose Queen. And when I first got it, I said I didn't like it. But after I put it in the bath, and the smell did linger. It was a very lingering smell. Like, it's lingered in the bathroom and it went through the house. Like, it was there. And when it was, like, when it kind of, I put it in the bath and it kind of just became air and it was just like very, like everywhere around the house. It wasn't bad. It was just, I guess, in that very, it's like a little ball of potent smell. It was very just terrible. But after I put it in the bath, it was much better and I could deal with it. But the only thing bad about the bath bomb when I used it was the fact that the residue from the flowers, and they're pretty when they're in there. But I had to like I had to let everything drain, scoop it out like 3 times just to get all of the residue out. But it was a pretty good balm. It wasn't very moisturizing. I didn't really notice anything special about it. But like I said, the scent did linger. And it smelled good after I put it in the bathtub, but when I first put it in, it was very, I said it smelled like plastic, like latex and other types of plastic. I can't really think of any. But I liked it after I put it in the bath, but before the bath I did not like it. The scent, when it's dispersed, is a lot better than when it's like in that concentrated little ball. But will I purchase again? Maybe. There's a possibility I might. I just can't handle that smell, that potent smell again. That very, just until it, disperses around the room. But it was okay. I mean, I'm gonna give it like a 2.5 to 3 on a scale of 5. But that's just my opinion. But yeah, let me know about what you think about the Rose Queen. It wasn't my favorite bath bomb, and I used Titsy Totsy. I love Titsy Totsy. I used Rose Queen. I got Jasmine Fairy in the mail the other day, and I haven't used that yet. And I use Candy Mountain Bubble Bar, which I love Candy Mountain Bubble Bar. But Titsy Totsy has got a lot of bad reviews. And I do want to say I loved it. Like, I love that subtle, very calm scent. Like, it's not like yeah, it may not linger. But I think it's the fact that when you're in the bath, it's there. And it's very nice and very just great. And it's not like, and the petals and the flowers aren't that hard to clean up in that. It's just, I guess, because there's so much in the Rose Queen that you do have to clean a lot of stuff up. So it's kind of hard not to get away with that. But I love Titsy Totsy. And I'm going to show you what Titsy Totsy looks like if I can find it in my Lush Times. And like I said, I've heard very negative reviews on Titsy Totsy. I don't know why. I thought it was moisturizing. Right there. Titsy Totsy. Catch the light. There you go. Right here. And I thought it was moisturizing. And I thought the roses in it were very little pretty romantic effect. To me, it seems like something like it reminds me when I first realized I was in love with my boyfriend of 3 years. That's what it was. It was like, oh my goodness, this is so special. And it gave me that warm and fuzzy, loving feeling. But I did like Titsy Totsy. I will purchase Titsy Totsy again. And I've heard such negative reviews on it. The only thing about it is it's kind of expensive. But I did love it. And people who don't love it, I'm sorry you don't love it. I think it's pretty awesome. And yeah, the scent doesn't linger. But I use the Lily Savon soap. It's my favorite soap to use. I love the scent. Love the scent. If I ever get to go to a Lush in person, I'm going to grab like a block of freaking Lily Savon because I love it so much. But, yeah, I just don't like when you use one soap and use, like a different body, like bath bomb or bubble bar or something, and it kind of smashes the scent. Like, Lily Savon is so perfect, and Rose is perfect, but together, I don't know. I mean, I liked how it wasn't so lingering. You just walked out of the room, it smelled like you smelled like a cheap cooker or something. Like, ugh. But that's just my opinion again. But yeah, let me know about Tootsie Totsie too. So it's Christmas Eve. I am finished packing. My tree's behind me, over right there. I will probably put a picture up or film it or something, and like put a nice little video up of it because I love my tree. I even have an Eiffel Tower ornament on it. But so Merry Christmas, guys, and I hope everybody has a great holiday, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. And talk to you soon. Bye.